our dual section refrigerated showcase. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 58 inches. Overall depth, we have 31.5 inches. And the overall height, 41.5 inches. Features for the showcase include, for the top portion, 2 doors you can pull out and display your products with the LED lights inside displaying and illuminating your showcase. The dimensions for each will be 23.25 inches by 21 inches in depth. Those are the measurements for the first and second door. Coming towards the bottom are your dual slide doors that can act as a storage and also inventory for your products. Measurements include 54 inches in length by 23 inches in depth, overall height of 11 inches, 110, 120 voltage, power, and temperature control. The bottom portion will also include an LED strip located on the ceiling of the lower level. Coming to the front of the case will be the left and right LED lights that will illuminate the products being displayed. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.